Hi, my name is Ewan. I'm studying here in Belgium, and we're working on a project this week which is making a remote controlled car. As you can see, is very well made. We have a inline motor connected through two bell gears to the axle on the back, which we don't know will hold yet, but we hope. Yeah. This here is Mikael. He's from
Hello.
Finland.
Hello, I'm studying AI in Samk at in Pori campus. I think the biggest things I've learned is to work in an international group. That's for sure a benefit in working life and well, when I didn't have no knowledge of JavaScript, for example, but now I know a lot more and how Arduino works, the mechanics, and this is stuff that you will eventually need in work life, even if you're studying AI or whatever. So I think in work life, a wide set of skills is really required.
My name is Igor Skalazub. I'm doing artificial intelligence in Samk, and we are here making cars and programming it. Yeah, we are doing teamworks and communicate with each other, and that's such a good and essential experience for us as a students to know how to communicate and use our knowledge in practice. Yeah, that's the point of this event. So yeah, that's really good. I liked it so much, and Belgium is really good.
Yeah, my name is Ekaterina Sikavirt. I'm also studying artificial intelligence in Samk. And this event is really nice if you want to improve your knowledge, if you want to make hands-on skills, and if you don't really know some parts of the project, you can easily learn. You can ask your teammates. You can also ask other teams. Everyone are friendly and ready to help. So the atmosphere here is really nice, and we learn a lot here, really a lot. And the main idea is that we learn and we also make it in practice at the same time, so you will remember it forever. And also we have fun here with all other international students, and we go out and we explore the city, and this is a really nice experience for us.
Yes.
I also think it's great to be able to work as a team, especially with international students, in something a bit more real. You actually learn how to work as a team instead of just what you're doing in class, which usually is everyone does the same thing, so you end up with one person who does everything. I think we all had that happen. Whereas here, everyone has something to do, so we're all working at the same time, and that's great. Learn a lot about communication too.
I would highly recommend this kind of trip. It's and also just to even see Belgium and meet new people to connect, and just only even for that, just if you have a possibility, absolutely go for it, 100%.